This is a project I completed a couple of years ago. I made a few mistakes here, but it's a good one to show. I'll probably redo it again at some point, but let's see how it goes. So what we're making today is a headdress, an ornamental headdress for a photo shoot. Uh, it involved a lot of bamboo sticks cut to different lengths and a hair slide, a hair grip thing to put it all in. You'll see in a moment a few of the mistakes I made, and I'll explain why and what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm cutting some triangles of card out. These will be hot glued to the hair slide, and to give it more stability, and to allow me to hot glue some other items on the front as well. So as you can see, the mistake I made is hot gluing these without actually stretching the hairband. So when they did stretch, it moved everything around a little bit too much. So you'll see what I'll do a little bit further on. Thankfully, later on, I could take each individual triangle off and replace it. So for now, what I'm doing is hot gluing the bamboo sticks on in the shape and design I want. As you can see here, I individually cut the triangles off, stretched the hairband so it's the equivalent of being on someone's head, and then putting everything back exactly where I wanted it. So for this section, I had a lot of moulds which I bought from wish.com, with cameos and flowers, and I basically created little resin items to glue onto the front. I then painted it straight over with a gold colour, to give it a crown sort of effect. I also went over with a wash to get into all the little crevices to make it look a little bit more antique, vintage. Um, yeah, I think it turned out pretty well. I had a couple of shoots in mind for this, but the main one I did it for was a very dark looking shoot, uh, using a single light and just going for it really. I think the results turned out really well. You can probably start looking forward to a little bit more of this, some prop building and set building for a lot of my photography. So thanks for watching, and any questions, any comments below.